Hi guys, so 3 Network, I've sent one of these out. Let's have a look at. It's their premium dongle. I know that probably don't mean anything to you, but it's basically their premium dongle. Is supposed to be up to 40 times faster than the standard ones. So all you speed freaks out there, when it comes to the internet speed, there you are. Okay, I'm trying to open these very neatly as I can. Yay, here we go. Right, so in the box, USB cable, extension lead. Wow. Got your manual, setup guide for the dummies. Okay, and the actual thing itself. So they've actually sent a brand new one, so which is quite kind of them. What you notice is on this one, compared to the old ones that they've done before, you can see how that flips out. So it's quite stylish actually. I like that. Stylish. It's like a motherboard looking thing in there, but that's obviously the USB port. Okay, so this is where the SIM card goes, and a memory card slot as well, so you can put a micro USB card in there, so you can use it as a memory stick as well, which is the UI, however you pronounce it, they've done in the past. Let's pop the SIM card in there. So it goes in that way, yeah, that way. Can you see it? Yeah. Just break a little piece off there. Right. Slide that back in. Let's see what this thing can do. This is not my laptop, by the way. I'm usually on the Mac computer, but I've managed to get hold of one of these, so I can test it with Windows rather than the Mac. It works on the Mac though, don't get me wrong. Okay. So you can see the safety as well. Imagine before you just literally like that. Don't know if you can see properly. So it's literally like that, which means if your little kid was running about or someone just mistakenly bang it or something, but now basically you can lift it up, which is really good. Right then, so you come up with the standard auto run. So wow, this is Windows. I don't know if you guys have seen the Windows 8 preview lately. It's looking good actually. I like the interface, but there's already criticisms about the interface. It's just been basically some are saying it's just Windows 7 with a different user interface, but in my opinion, Windows 8 is looking good, taking the old touchscreen thing to a whole new level, and especially the multitasking on there, how it works. I saw BlackBerry Playbook multitasking and I thought that was brilliant, but that Windows 8 one, the way it slides from the corner and stuff, yeah, amazing. Right, I think that installation process so far has probably taken about, what, 3 minutes, if that. This is usually the longest part when it's actually writing files to the system files and stuff, so just wait for that to finish doing this thing. Because what we're going to do as well to give you a full test is, this is just showing you the installation and showing you the speed that we get down here. I don't know yet, but one of the teams also going to take it away in the UK somewhere, just to test a bit of reliability on it, to make sure that it works somewhere else as well, so I'm not make it less biased as possible. By the way, I hope you've checked out GadgetsBoy.co.uk. Yeah, this video is actually gonna go up on there. You're probably watching it on there now anyway. Yeah. Look, the GadgetsBoy character, what do you think? He's got an iPad, an iPhone. He's got the Gunners gaming glasses on, the eyewear. We're getting that. That's been sent across as well through the post. So when we get that, we'll get that reviewed as well, just to show you what that one's about. It's brilliant, I have to tell you that. And it's got this sleek by 50 Cent headphones. The new headphones. He's just finalised the deal for that, to get that in the retail stores and stuff. Hopefully we'll get it in the UK as well. We'll get in touch with them, see if they can send one across to us, and we can test that as well and review it. That would be great. Awesome. At the moment we've had Beats by Dre, which I think is quite good. The noise cancellation on there is bang on. Alright, so far about 3-4 minutes now, installation. You can see the progress, tiny at the corner, installing the drivers, 80%, you probably can't see on the camera, but it says installing the driver 90% now, it's moving up. We just keep it, let's see if I can zoom in a bit. The autofocus on this is not the best, but yeah. We have movement. These are not that expensive either, so if you're thinking it must be expensive, I'm telling you it's not expensive at all. And if the speed is as fast as they say, then I would say then it's worth it. Let's have a go. What you could do as well is, if you've got an iPad, you could ask them to give you a micro SIM, and then get a micro SIM adapter, so you can share it with your iPad as well every now and then. Or if you've got one of those MiFi devices, you can use in there as well every now and then. There we go, it's ready to rock and roll. So it's ready to connect, so we're going to connect now. Their little piece of software there that they've got is quite good, because you can check your ThreeUK account through there. You can check your usage history, so that way you keep track of how much you've used. You can send text message on there, but only the text message will be useful if you've got the package that allows you to do that. One thing I know that Three does as well is to do something where they can cap your account, which some other networks don't do. So if you ever need to cap your account, if you're worried about running over your usage allowance, you can cap it so you never go over. So this is the interface you get. If the first thing that loads up, so you know that it's connected to the internet. And then what we'll do is go on our favorite website for testing the speed. We'll go on speed test. This is quite quick actually. What I'd do is, what I forgot to do is disconnect my own wireless in the building. So I'm gonna disconnect the Wi-Fi as well, just to make sure, so none of this is Wi-Fi. So it's, I want to reload. This is as fast as the broadband really so far. Well, these are broadband, isn't it? Mobile broadband. Mobile broadband. Here we go. It's pinging. Okay. Moving on up. Download speeds. Let's get the camera in so you can see it. It's done 3.12 megabytes per second. Upload speed's quite good, 1.59, but I'm not going to get technical about upload speeds. Upload speed's useful for guys that download and upload to their servers and stuff like that. But the download speed there will be useful for the guys that obviously you do your general internet browsing and things like that, and you can see the speed, it's not even up to 3.6 megabyte per second, which you'd get on some other network, or which even you get on the old USB device. So the question is, why would you pay extra then in that case? I know this is supposed to be good and get good speed, so is it, maybe it's because the coverage of where I am, but let's have a look. Right, take it away, you're not seeing where I am. This is a secret location. Let's put my address in, my postcode. Okay, if you bring the camera back, you see that, have a look on there. So you take the postcode away there, but you can see that the dark purple area, don't know if you can see it through that camera, the dark area is supposed to show that I've got good coverage where I am, whereas that little edge there shows not the best coverage, but it's supposed to show that I've got really good coverage where I am. Let's see if I can show you there a bit without revealing too much. Yeah, so it's showing that I'm supposed to have, you know, sorry about that. At the bottom, I'll show you what it says. It says you can use your dongle to connect to our mobile broadband internet in most instances when you're indoors. The signal strength may be better in different rooms. Right, so down here is probably the best area at the house. So I've checked the coverage in the other area and stuff, and I've got good coverage down here. You can see, yes, it connects fine, yes, it's stylish, don't get me wrong. 3 is a good network as well for data. They've won lots of awards for data transfer and stuff, but I'm not impressed with that speed there. But what I'm going to do is run another test through. Let's do it again, just to confirm, just to make sure and seal our conclusion. This time even slower. Let's try it again. I've got faith in you guys, come on, give me some speed. Yeah, struggling to hit those speeds. Struggling. Yeah, that's definitely confirmed. So all I've got to say is basically, okay, yes, it's a good product. I've used it in the past. I also use the MiFi device and I use it everywhere I go. But the speed is not, I'm not happy with the speeds because they claim for it to be faster than the standard MiFi dongle that I've got already, but it does exactly the same speeds. It's mobile, so, and wireless, so that could explain the reason why. Maybe if you go in different areas of the country, part of the UK, you might get different speeds. You might actually get, you know, faster speeds than where I am now. So you might, don't take my word for it, still go and buy one in the shop, try it out yourself, see if you get better speeds where you are, and if you don't, then we're on the same boat. Thanks, GadgetsBoy.co.uk.